Looking for the best new AI to help manage your kids' schedules and learning? In today's video, I'm diving into QualiTime.ai, the kids' companion AI that just hit the market, and sharing 7 crucial things you need to know. Before you dive in, if you're a parent looking for the best AI solution to assist in your child's daily routine, schoolwork, and activities, keep watching to find out what makes QualiTime.ai a game changer. First off, QualiTime.ai is not just another productivity tool. It's specifically designed for families with young kids. What sets it apart is its unique ability to provide personalized, interactive support for children, helping them stay on track with their school assignments, manage their time, and even learn new skills. But is it really as effective as it sounds? The AI comes with an intuitive interface that's easy to navigate, even for younger children. The platform is designed with kid-friendly features, including voice recognition and interactive prompts, which make it feel like a personal assistant that actually understands your child's needs. As a parent, you can customize settings to match your child's learning pace, making sure they're not overwhelmed or under-challenged. One of the standout features of QualiTime.ai is its ability to sync with a child's calendar, homework, and extracurricular activities. This means you can plan your child's day in real time, receiving smart suggestions and reminders for tasks and upcoming events. If your child has a soccer game in the afternoon or a math quiz in the morning, QualiTime.ai will automatically update and send notifications, so there's no room for forgetfulness. It truly functions as an all-in-one kids companion AI for daily planning and task management. Another incredible feature is its learning tracker. QualiTime.ai not only helps kids stay organized, but also actively tracks their learning progress. It adapts based on their school curriculum, suggesting resources, exercises, and activities that suit their learning level. For parents, this gives a clear view of what your child is excelling in and where they might need extra attention. It's like having a tutor at your fingertips 24/7. Let's talk safety and privacy, which is crucial when it comes to kids and AI. QualiTime.ai takes data privacy seriously. It uses end-to-end encryption and ensures that your child's data is kept private, giving parents peace of mind. No third-party data mining, no unnecessary tracking. Just a secure, controlled environment for your child's learning. Something I really like about QualiTime.ai is how it encourages positive reinforcement. Unlike traditional tools that focus on correcting mistakes, QualiTime.ai promotes learning through rewards. It congratulates your child for completing tasks, finishing homework on time, or even mastering new skills, which can be a great motivator. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to cost me? Here's the best part. You can actually try QualiTime.ai for free from the first link below. You won't have to commit to anything right away, which gives you the chance to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your family before you invest. And before we wrap up, I've tested thousands of AI tools over the years, and QualiTime.ai is up there with the best. AI is up. Whether you're a busy parent juggling multiple tasks or someone looking for an AI to help with your child's productivity, QualiTime.ai delivers. For those interested in diving deeper, you can explore other recommended AI tools in the description that I've personally tested and found useful. And yes, you can try many of them completely free too. If you're a parent, teacher, or anyone who manages a child's activities, QualiTime.ai could very well be the tool you've been waiting for to streamline learning and day-to-day scheduling. Make sure you check the link below to give it a go for free and let me know your thoughts in the comments.